Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to draw very simple pixel art picture. I will draw for you Halloween cocktail, and I take green felt pen, orange, red, black and violet. Firstly, I take violet felt pen and at the bottom part of the picture, at the center, I paint 5 boxes. Found the center and go up, painting 4 boxes. From this box, turning to the left diagonally and painting 5 boxes one by one. And from this box, turning to the right diagonally and also painting 5 boxes one by one. From this box, go up and painting a line to the right, to this box, and coloring all these boxes. I take red felt pen and draw a line here and coloring all these boxes. Now I take black felt pen and painting 1 box here and 1 box here. From this box, skip 3 boxes up and painting 2 boxes up, 1 box diagonally and 1 box diagonally. Now I take orange felt pen and I should draw small pumpkin, 3 boxes up and 5 boxes to the right. Now I take black felt pen and color in 1 box here and 1 box here. Again orange felt pen and color in all these boxes. And now I take green felt pen and paint several boxes one by one here. And I finished my drawing. As you see, it's very colorful and very simple picture. Please give me your likes and subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye bye.